Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the talk show. Uh, we are in Amritsar, an Amritsar place of Golden Temple, and its Hyatt Regency General Manager Kamaljeet Singh. Welcome to the talk show.
Good evening. Thank you so much.
And this is a place which everyone wants to visit, Hyatt Regency and Amritsar together. It's a good name, it's a good place, and always welcomed by people from all across the world, especially this part of the world as well. It's a five-star property, Hyatt Regency. Uh, it's deluxe hotel with 248 rooms.
Correct.
And it has got about 10 executive suites. Tell us something about the property.
The property is about 10 years old, and it was envisioned by one of our directors, and it was called ISTA. It got rebranded to Hyatt Regency Amritsar last year. As you mentioned, it's 248 rooms, there are 10 suites. There is a mix of room categories like we always have in any property. Couple of USPs do stand out for the location. Number one, we are bang on the GT Road. We are the closest five-star deluxe hotel to the Amritsar Golden Temple. We have a mall just walk distance away. In terms of the location,
It's Mall of Amritsar, right?
it's actually, it was called Alpha Mall, and that's what is known in Punjab even now, but it's been renamed to Mall of Amritsar right now. I think it's a three-story mall. It has enough choice of shopping, clothing, food outlets, a couple of senior police halls there. So it makes it worthwhile to be in our property, and you're like closely connected to most places, be it the mall, be it the Golden Temple, on the GT Road. The connectivity to other parts of Punjab is very faster, quieter and quicker. And yeah, it sort of sums up the location.
Yeah, it's, I think precisely rightly said so. The location of the hotel, Hyatt Regency Amritsar, is so conveniently placed, just 30 minutes from the airport.
Correct.
It's just very close to the airport, and when we see this location-wise, it has got mall, it has got. I mean, you can have everything nearby, and a visit to Amritsar Golden Temple
Correct.
is also very near. I think around 4 kilometers from here, approximately
5.
on this. But then definitely it's a place to be. Hyatt Regency Amritsar has very good features. When we talk about the rooms, it has got the deluxe rooms, it has got the suites. Tell us something about the suites.
So we have three categories of suites. We have the topmost suite of ours, Amritsar suite. It has a high open balcony with a fireplace, which can easily take about 16 to 18 people if you, in case you're entertaining someone. The suite itself is one of its kind. Then we have two executive suites. Both are pool facing. It opens up to this luscious village of Amritsar, and from 20th floor, it takes a sight to be
Do
seen.
you offer butler service also?
We do, for Amritsar suite, we do offer butler services.
Exactly. So, any corporate coming up here and staying in this property, you will be having your personalized meetings at the suite. Vis-a-vis, you can have a butler service.
You can have a butler, you can plan a small little get together of photos.
About 20 odd people.
20 odd people, you can have your bar, you can have a barman in your open balcony.
And the best part is that it has got a picturesque view
Correct.
and also overlooking the pool and the cityscape.
Opens up the city beautifully. We are pretty much on the highest elevation at all from the suites, and you can see the entire city in one glance. You can even in fact get a glimpse of a couple of gurudwaras, but not the Golden Temple from far. This is on the left hand side.
Kamal, tell us something about the dining experience. You have been unique here. You offer a lot of dining experiences, and this is unique. I know this place, Amritsar, has got various other local food options also, but you are different. How different you are in terms of providing dining services to the clients, to the guests?
I think to answer that, it's very difficult for a hotel. Punjab is a food destination. People talk about chole kulches and bhatures and kebabs.
The local cuisine.
The local cuisine. We have all-day dining restaurant called Punjab Province, the bistro, and
Punjab Province.
Punjab Province. So the name itself is very authentic to the city. We have every possible delicacy from Punjab. But yeah, today we have travels which are interesting travel in McLean, Continental, Med, Oriental cuisine, other parts of India, even some touch of South Indian. So we actually sort of put our gastronomic pleasures on a plate so that it's still home for the city food, but you will not be too far away from your home.
So basically, you are providing the Thai cuisine, Chinese cuisine,
Thai,
Malaysian
Oriental,
cuisines, European
bit of
cuisines,
Malay.
Oriental.
Correct.
So every kind of food is being served at your at the restaurants here, and as you rightly said, so is Punjab.
Punjab
province.
province.
That's the place to be aware. Weddings are commonly North Indian specialities and Chandigarh and
happening
North Indian.
Punjabi weddings.
Yeah, exactly. So that is a kind of a thing which is happening. It symbolizes the union of souls. But then in Amritsar, Golden Temple, Hyatt Regency, how you do weddings?
Well, today the city boasts about corporate segment, it boasts about MICE segment. Like any part, I think Punjabis are into weddings, the 3-4 day affair. There is a pre-party, there is the party, there is a post-party, and I think we having about a 17,000 square foot of area, covered, uncovered, we can take up to about 1,000 people also at one shot among our halls. Enough team to cater to, enough delicacy to cater to, and I think this becomes the perfect hub for your meetings, your breakaways, your weddings, your pre-wedding celebrations, your engagements, your ring ceremony. So I think we like to touch about every single box for our wedding and a MICE segment.
Oh, fabulously said. So, Kamaljeet Singh, the fact remains that weddings, when we talk about Indian wedding, and especially the destination weddings, I would definitely say that Hyatt Regency weddings are really well known all across North India and all across Indian market. And especially we will say that MICE plays a very important role.
Correct.
Corporate segment is also, mixing pleasure and leisure together. Would you define 11,000 square feet of areas? How do you utilize it?
Well, let me also touch upon that point that today Amritsar still becomes a religious circle for many days for conferencing. But today we have opened a sub-department called leisure experiences. So we also make sure that in your corporate hub of meetings, you can still have a bit of city exploration. We can plan an activity in a village for you. We can take you on the War Memorial. We can do a destination city walk for you. We can in fact do an entire Punjabi village theme in our ballroom. So you can still do your corporate meetings and clock your budgeting numbers. But then you can still have time enough to enjoy the city for that matter. So I would like to make sure that we are complete bubble for conferencing, which makes sure that corporate is covered, your conference is covered, your food is taken care of, and you can still enjoy the city also.
So incentives are also taken care of when you try to have incentive groups coming up here for this, and visit to Wagah borders. As you rightly said,
Right.
city tours, walk tours, etc. can also be organized at your
At
the
the-
MICE for the corporate travel.
One-stop shop in the hotel. We have a team for
Fabulous.
this one.
So Hyatt Regency has, Amritsar has to offer a lot of facilities to not only the leisure guests but also the corporate and the business traveler. Spa and wellness, all properties all across the world provide that. Shanti Spa here does a tremendous job. Is it right?
Well, I want to touch upon another segment before I touch the Shanti Spa. We really wanted this to be a family destination, and yet early this year we also opened two small places called the Kids Club and the Teen Zone.
I was coming to that. Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. You have touched it before Shanti Spa. Fair enough. Tell us something about that.
I thought let me make my children and family happy. So, religious destination, the city takes it. Family destination, it takes it. Kids destination, food. So Amritsar ticks most of the boxes. So this year we thought, and I think if I'm not correct and quote to myself that we are the only 5-star hotel in the city to have a zone for the younger ones.
Yes.
So we have the kids club, a teen zone. It's open from 8 to 8 p.m. You can leave your kids there. We'll make sure that the games, the drawings, the Xbox, all is provided. You can go and have a meal in Punjab province. If you want to play for a couple of hours and just do a healthy shopping in the mall close by, you're free to do so without having your kids badgering you or saying that, Mama, let's go back early. So that's also a family destination what we've done.
And exactly when you have a pool and a fitness center.
Today I think for everyone, well-being is very important, and let's put it this way, it's a food destination. So after a couple of chole bhatures and kulches, you should walk a little bit.
Yes, you should have a great fitness, and the hotel at the Hyatt Regency Amritsar provides you that. Shanti Spa we were talking about
Sorry, I
is
interrupted you.
it's basically rediscovering self-consciousness and also rediscovering happiness. Tell us something about Shanti Spa.
Well, like I just mentioned about the Kids Club Teen Zone, we also boast about the largest treatment rooms in the spa in the city. We have 9 treatment rooms. We've named it Shanti Spa, and Shanti comes from a mother company, and we're also part of Shanti Hospitality Management Services Private Limited. And in fact, the mother one is your Shanti Mauritius.
Yes,
So
I was
we-
talking about that only.
So
yeah.
we in fact looked in a spa manager from there to help us understand how we can curate a little more massages to the city. We came up with exciting ones. We use Ananda products, so we use Ananda signature massages. We also had, because people travel, we have a jet lag massage, a sportsman massage. Ayurvedic is also done by a hotel. And apart from that, we also have your Swedish and your Balinese. So I think it's a bubble of every massage is what we can do, and I think we're doing it very, very well. We also cater to non-resident members, and we almost have close to about, from the time we relaunched the spa, we've got about 80 members now who are part of our spa and gym membership. And that's, I'm talking about 3 months from today.
That's fabulous to know this. That when we talk about Shanti Maurice, Travelspan has been promoting Shanti Maurice in Mauritius for the last 17, 18 years or so. So that's the kind of a thing. Ladies and gentlemen, we are talking to Kamaljeet Singh, from General Manager of Hyatt Regency Amritsar. My last question to you, Kamaljeet, would be what are your future plans? You are a 248 room property doing very
The
well,
largest.
exceptionally very well in Amritsar. What are your future plans, and what are your finally USPs?
So just to put it in a nutshell, right now, as I mentioned, 248 rooms. We have enough to cater to 550 people in the rooms itself. Restaurants taken care of, Shanti Spa. I think if you ask me what is the strategy, we really wanted it to be, apart from being a religious destination, which it is, we want it to be a family destination. And I would like to mention that we have 29 interconnecting sets for families. So, you know, even if you have your elders or couples who come in families, you can use that. We are a kids-friendly hotel, Kids Club Teen Zone. We do believe in a bit of holistic approach to well-being. So we have a gym, school. We are also among the few hotels in India who has a vitality pool. So you can actually also have your body and your water therapy done. For me, I think I would like to tap into all segments. Domestic, of course, is growing in India, and I think I would like everyone to come in and ensure that they enjoy the mixed balance what we have, from leisure experiences to the destination dining what we have, to use one of our suites with butler services. But I would also like to ensure that my NRI segment also comes in family and visits the Golden Temple. And there are other temples which we will keep highlighting on our website, in terms of the Ram Tirath Temple, the Jallianwala Bagh, which is under play. Punjab incidentally has the largest war memorial museum, which is not talked about so much, and we have that on our leisure experiences. The key focus, I think, among everything is the balance of all my holiday makers, my family makers, my corporate segment, which is coming in from everywhere. In terms of South India has 3 direct flights now, so I see a lot of Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai coming in. Bombay, Delhi will always feeder market. Punjab is the strongest market, and I think with 16,000 square feet of banqueting area covered and uncovered, we would like to also make sure that we become the destination for social events, the destination for wedding, the destination for conference, because what we have as a USP is 248 rooms, and that is, we can still balance everything with that. So I think 2019 is going to be a great year, and to capitalize on everything what we've done so far, I think we are looking very positively to walk into the new financial year, or calendar year in fact, on a high.
That's so good to hear about the NRI segment, which you touched upon. In fact, when we talk about the international NRI friends and our families there visiting Golden Temple, I'm sure that they're definitely going to make use of such a property which has basically a hub for everything, a home away from home, and then definitely it's going to be one of the best stays for them also. Besides the local, and you rightly touched upon the cultural side and the heritage side of Punjab tourism, which is also akin, very closely knitted with Hyatt Regency Amritsar. Thank you very much for your time,
Thank you so
Kamalji.
much.
Really appreciate your gesture on this.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.